In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your campaign information from Mailchimp. Whether you're a seasoned email marketer or just getting started, keeping a record of your campaign performance is crucial. Having access to your campaign metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and audience engagement can significantly impact your marketing strategies. So let's dive right in and get you set up to export your valuable data. First, you need to head over to Mailchimp and log into your account. This ensures that you have access to all your campaigns and reports. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side menu. Among the various options, there's one labeled Analytics. Click on that. The Analytics section is where all the magic happens. It's packed full of insights and reports about how your campaigns are performing. Once you've clicked on Analytics, you're going to see another option appear, Reports. Click on Reports to proceed. This section is specifically designed to house all your campaign data, giving you a comprehensive overview of each campaign's performance. Now that you're in the Reports section, you'll need to focus on a subsection called Campaigns, because that's where a list of all your sent campaigns is located. When you choose Campaigns, you will be presented with a list of campaigns that you've sent out. Take a moment here to look through this list and locate the campaign that you're interested in exporting. After you've found the campaign you're interested in, click on its name. By doing this, you'll open up the campaign's detailed report. This part of the process is essential because it's the report that will contain all the valuable information you want to export, like how many people opened your email or clicked on links within it. With the campaign report open, direct your attention to the top right of the screen. You're looking for a specific option here, Export Results. This option is your gateway to downloading the information you need. Go ahead and click on Export Results. By doing so, you will initiate a download of the report in a CSV format. And just like that, you've successfully downloaded your campaign report. Now you have a tangible file that you can store for your records, analyze, and use to refine your marketing efforts. These reports are incredibly useful for identifying trends and areas for improvement in your campaigns. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly maintain accurate and comprehensive records of your campaign performance. This allows you to dive deeper into data, maximize your marketing impact, and ultimately engage your audience more effectively. Thank you for watching and happy marketing.